Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back to show who won my giveaway. And the giveaway was with Ahoy there with Lady Kre. And in the giveaway, you had to leave the word of the amount of lifesaver rings that I showed in that video. So the word was 7. And here goes who won right about now. All right, Patty O'Malley, you are the winner. So I just need you to get in contact with me. This is all boxed up and ready to go. I'm just waiting on you. So I'll have my email pop up right across the screen there. And it will be in the description box as well. But you'll have to remove the spaces that I have in the description box. So either way, just get in contact with me. At mscherub@gmail.com, and I'll have the spelling going across the screen like I said. And yeah, I'm waiting on you. Thanks so much everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.